Welcome to La Floresta. This is one of the most popular and desirable places in Lakeside. Today, we start our tour at the most iconic part of La Floresta, the riding lanes. Here you can find a spacious area where you can rent horses for a nice ride around the area. Next, we'll head to the Real de Chapala Hotel, one of the largest hotels in the area. Walking further north, along its wide and shaded streets, we arrived at the Lakeside Theater, which was recently remodeled.